Hello people. So like I said, the first day he made the video, this was the picture he used, and that's the picture that I'm going to use to bury him at the burial ground tomorrow. And then before I complete the candle rituals, you see all those people, when you keep quiet for them, when you keep quiet for all those people, I go make sure say I bury this guy. He'll be watching me back because all of them will be useless POJ members. You people were there. Nobody to call this man to order, this useless Jim Venza. Nobody to call him to order, to tell him to lakuru. Ya jerewe weave on ere. Ya lakuru. Or open not him lakuru since on a ego saga. Imagine somebody emere na madu piece or another goats. Enye ya goats. Tori ego ko ojila. Obraka she Malaysia la. Biakwe again with somebody on a mego piece. This guy came back again after he collected money for peace. At least I made in peace with Ogi. I accepted. I didn't collect any money. But Kiwa, go. Imakwanikwe gana magitili war and not from game war. I will not feel sorry. Look at you. I promise you that you get very gi. But I never get a black candle and I go get him. It can on to like this from na burial ground. Man, people hold on. I need to buy something.
I give them to the makeup and fry.
I want to do oyster. 1 minute. I'm not going to mind your business. Call who no call you. Jim Venza, you see nature na saga. Na me Chicho Bonaya will buy you. Oh, make sure they will finally, because it wasn't hope. Because if you were bold enough to show innocent children that did nothing to you, I will bury you alive. I told you last week Saturday, that if you show those children again, or any member of my family, that I will bury you. And this is, your ritual has started this night. And it will complete with black candle to rest you in peace. It almost deserve. You know, I won't see that person when you go meet for cleansing. They go ask you, say, what thing happened between two of now? Why the person carry you go do these rituals? A useless man. Age of Okonisi, na me and mommy California. Pray for you to liberate you to have a better thing, because it's a Malaysia. You say no. Say na innocent children and my family member. Now it be your miserable or your useless mama way poor. They no give from poor home. Can be no bodo Igbo. You cannot even bring any of your siblings. On when you phone one nigga will like of it or Allah beke. In Ronette, don't worry, I go show you my hair. Where you go help me sell. Mechagi. Next time I say you put up your saga. Anyway, you will not even be alive to tell the story. That's the thing. Please contact all these your supporters in the UK to take me down, to tell the UK authority that my madness has increased. They need to increase my dose because I go to burial ground and I will bury. I want this in there. You cannot know to now phone. We go so on to remain innocent children. Now so I go take do you. Man of God, I greet you. And abandon Kitty, Hane Zuzu. Can be 2021. Useless venza. Or did not catch innocent. Onwu gebu. Onwu gebugi. Onwu. Inwala. Ano Gerardine Obuehi Burugi. I came for Obuehi. And I'm able to say, he nebu mama don't get boogie. Make una charge me go any court. I will defend myself anytime. That's why I'm keeping all his videos. A useless, hopeless man. Also can't get bruga la. Since I go feel sorry for any of you now. Me person can't tell me say, oh, you are going to bury a ground. You are doing this. If you talk say they go bury a ground, make your mouth bend there. Make your mouth bend. Make Sabbatarian sawa go on there. Now you won't advise me where I go. The craze. Because I can't fight mayor because of your Pekin. Now they talk say and then woman the spirit of woman. Now so I take level allegations say na me write petition when they go arrest children. Okay, yes, make una come arrest me. The mother man and the intelligent caller will do organize the team, but I don't see them. Now treat you do them. Now me do them. Oh yeah, make una come arrest me. Make una come arrest me. Make thunder no kill all of them there. Let go the children one. Let go the children two. Oh, the boogie or did not catch you. I want you to leave those kids. All my family members. Leave them. If you want to play me that I took overdose, play me, fight me. But when you people start going to family members, I will not take it from any of you again. Show any of my family member again. I will go and print on our mama, on our families. As long as I get all on our picture. All of you will taste a spirit of death. I don't care. On the last day, let God judge every one of us. Look at this useless man. Every time, this man is dead. He's dead, this man. I want to go and bury him. And I'm bagging Kitty. He knows. Oh, you can name that one. You the Chris? Oh, Lord Berese. Oh, Lord Berese. Abi tí ma sọ fún ẹ pé Ìjẹ̀bú Ìgbò ni mo ti wá wọ́n kọ́ yín ni. Wọ́n sọ fún ẹ. Alakọrin ọkùnrin, a hopeless man that came to Vietnam to be selling hair. Your shop, we no see am for Nigeria. Your shop for Vietnam, we no see. Now boy, and to they sleep with women for money and to they sell nude. Now you they do. They craze. People will write RIP for your useless nephews and nieces. You don't see them, fight them. Now innocent children will not do you anything. Because say I settle with person. I want to be in peace with person. Now even I won't die for my matter. I go follow na bomber to bomber. All of na. Una no go do shit. I pin with all games I pin with them. Unu make me una show na the craze. Come and arrest me that I close down an NGO. What are you waiting for? What soon are they wait for? I closed her NGO, and so what? Yes, I did. What will you guys do about it? Yes, I posted her father's picture where he was. What will you guys do about it? Come and arrest me now, Jim. Come and arrest me, Onwike Wogi, a hopeless man, a useless man. I go for all of now, I don't come out for now. We go do this saga, enter 2025, and now with spirit of death, now so I go to wipe all of now. All of now. Make not show any member of my family again. I dare any of you any of you on this rubbish saga to bring out the picture of any of my family member again, even if you don't do them before, you do them again, I go to repeat the same ritual if you still there alive. I go to piato legi. Go to your babalawo, tell them, say, see what I do. Say, see what I do. Say you won't come revenge. Make they ask you, say, why you do them? I know they go meet any babalawo. Me, I be babalawo myself. You the craze. Useless man. No girlfriend. No fiancé. No common one room over your head. No family. In one of family. Your sister Janet is useless. Microorganism, that's the only thing she knows. Your in-law is useless. Your brother is useless. And you are useless. That is why you're selling nude. Honor from your mother's side. In our wine. So you think say because Victor kind of come make put me and you for phone. You know? So you think say I go to fear anything. The thing I do pin cook by embe. Money keep cook by Onwu bogi Jim Venza. Onwu bogi. Onwu iga one week. For me to go print your picture, me say I did target you. Say show those children again, or my husband, or my mother, or any of my siblings. I will not spare any of you. Una nonsense, don't too much. I will not spare any of you. Take me to anywhere. Call the police. Take me to any alusi. And spiritually, I will pay before the alusi. Una they craze. You never see anything. I'm going to make haggy, eh? Oh God, I just did laugh. Don't worry. I go show you the candle when I buy them. Even if you not go see the rituals, but you go see your burial. But the candle when I don't buy them, I go show you. Say now for you, and your name go there on top of that candle where I go take by you. You they craze. The whole of Nomere's family there. They bring people family they show, and useless people they there they clap for you. They send you to your early grave. Jim, if you don't do your worst, may you die. Just how they follow they play on our rubbish, and they follow now they do on our rubbish. Ndala, I must make all of una to hate me. I say, hey, una must to hate me. Venza, all of una. Una go call dwarf, IVF, tire. I go bury you. See you. I show you. Echi, come and watch your burial. Tomorrow, as a womb gift. You, tomorrow. I will kill you. Elizabeth Nomere. Tomorrow I go bury, and if you mess up, I go print your mama. I go bury your mama again. The one way they do you don't reach. You go hear when I go not say. When I go call police, make them chain me because the other you don't get part two. At least I know they naked come they dance for air. I know they wear bra come they dance like. They laugh like a mad person. No, now. Anyway, people, tomorrow, join me live as I bury Jim. That was my promise to him. I'll make rituals, get a black candle, and then I'll bury him live. Take me to any court of law. Take me. I am ready. Oh no, now wala. In a big woku, in another one in a saga goats. Go to Wogwagidie. Oh, Wogi. You haven't seen anything. You haven't seen nothing yet. People, I gotta go now. See you guys tomorrow for his burial. My read comment if I enter. Greetings to you. Good evening, everyone. Chief Pilot, make when I help me hold Ogechi. She's live screaming. Hey, now wow. My own target na Jim Jim. I want Queen Ma'am. Oh yeah, people. Bye. Good night.